Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is Moong dal potato curry. For this recipe, we need moong dal 3/4 cup. Pressure cook the moong dal for 2 whistles. 1 potato. We need to cut this
and boil
till the potatoes are half cooked.
2 chopped tomatoes,
Half cup chopped onion, 1.5 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. I grinded 3 tablespoons grated coconut, 2 teaspoons chili powder, 4 teaspoons coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons coriander leaves, 2 cardamom, 2 pieces of cinnamon and 2 cloves, 10 curry leaves, 4 to 5 teaspoons oil and salt. Heat the pan, add about 4 teaspoons oil, cinnamon cloves and cardamom, onion, add some salt, add curry leaves.
fry the onions till they are lightly golden brown.
Onions are fried. Now let's add ginger garlic paste, chili powder. If you want it to be spicy, you can add more chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Fry this, add some water. Let's fry this masala for 2 to 3 minutes. I fried this for 2 minutes. Now let's add the chopped tomatoes. Add the grinded coconut. Cover the pan and cook on low flame till the tomatoes are soft. Let's see now. The tomatoes are cooked now. Add the boiled potatoes. Add the cooked moong dal.
Add salt and 1.5 cups water. Cover the pan and cook till the potatoes are soft.
This is almost ready. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Very tasty and healthy recipe. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.